Okay, so this one today, we're third call into the day. This is an estimate on a new piece of equipment. I don't know what it is yet, but let me see what we got going on here. This is a vacant house. Doors unlocked. We got a boiler. 2011. Let's see. Got any water pressure in this sucker? Yeah, got water pressure. Got good pipes. So, let's see. Thing's not running though. We don't have any heat. So the control was replaced. Let's see what it does. Here, pilot. And nothing. Just got to try to get this thing running. I don't know. I'm going to give him an estimate on a new boiler anyway, so that's what he wanted. Probably got a dirty flame sensor. What did I do? It's probably got a dirty flame sensor or something. Jeez, oh Pete, this is like a hack job. So, I mean, the house is vacant, they're redoing it. So let me see if I can putz around with this thing, clean the flame sensor up, and get this thing actually running. And I'll give them an estimate on a new boiler. This is a little baby boiler. It's like probably $52,000. Jeez, I can't even tell. 70,000. So let me see if I can get this thing up and running, at least so they got heat in the house while they can work. Radiators there. Radiators there. The boiler's even too big for the house. Probably do a little 52,000. Heat this up. Ain't much radiation. Base rule of thumb is 600 BTUs per square foot of radiation. So every foot you got 600 BTUs on 3/4 pipe. Let me see if I can get this thing started. Yeah, this thing's got a mercury flame sensor. How does that even work with that control? Oh, that fucking mercury flame sensor's garbage. Yeah, I ain't getting this thing started. Because I don't have a mercury flame sensor on the truck. That's what's going on there. Dude, I don't even know how they freaking got that thing to work like that. That's crazy. Yeah, this thing's a complete piece of crap. That's why I once quoted a new one. Well, I quoted them on a hot water tank and I quoted them on a boiler. That's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.